Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a photo to become the cute fairy animation. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can access this DreamFace app first. And don't worry because this DreamFace can be accessed with your smartphone, whether the Android or the iOS phone, and you can install it. And also can be accessed with your PC, guys. And this time I prefer to open it with my PC to get more spacious view. And this is the look I have done the login with my email. Why you need to open it with your email? Because they will give you 2 credit and also it will be renewed every single week, guys. And this is the look of the home page, and there are a lot of tools that you can do the experiment with it. And since we would like to create the fairy animation, here I will go to the AI video, and after that you can click this template, and after that you can start to select the fairy me animation like this. This is the preview, and you can click go create, and after that in this section you can start to select a picture from your gallery. For example, I will choose this one and click open, and kindly wait for the uploading process. And as you can see that this animation will consume 1 credit, guys, and since we have 1 credit left, so it will be enough. So you can continue to click create here and kindly wait for the generation process, usually on the up here. And if you have any recommendation about the another application or AI that can do the same as good as this DreamFace, please guys don't worry to suggest us on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there and making the video in another version. And also don't forget to make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. Kindly wait for the output, guys. And after waiting for a while, so the output will be ready. Kindly wait maybe 1 minute until 2 minutes, and the result will be like this, guys. Okay, isn't that cute, right? So don't forget to try this effect or this animation in DreamFace, and please let us know if this animation can be work with your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.